do you want to make? Hundreds of dollars every month deposited into your bank account without lifting a finger? Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. A stock that can provide you with a steady stream of monthly income. Whether you want to cover your bills or treat yourself to some fun activities, this stock has got you covered. So, grab your popcorn and get ready to learn about Qyld, the perfect stock for monthly income. First things first, let's understand what Qyld is all about. Qyld is an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, in the stock market that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, which comprises of 100 companies. Now, what makes Qyld stand out from other ETFs is its unique approach to generating passive income dividends. You heard it right. Qyld specializes in generating truly passive dividend income. It does this by employing a covered call strategy. In simple terms, Qyld holds a basket of stocks from the Nasdaq 100 index while simultaneously selling call options on those stocks. This strategy generates high yields and premium income, which is then distributed to Qyld shareholders as monthly dividends. It's like receiving a paycheck from your investments. Let's dive into the numbers with our first scenario. So just like if you had a side hustle, you would invest money into your business. Consider Qyld as your side hustle and deposit money into the stock every week to generate passive income while still having access to the money you deposited. So, imagine you invest $200 per week into Qyld, with a share price of $17.65. In this case, since you want to generate passive income, you're not reinvesting your dividends, and the monthly dividend payout remains constant at $0.1682 for this example. So, what would your monthly income look like over the years? At the end of year 1, you would receive approximately $30.89 per month from your Qyld investment. Moving on to year 2, that number grows to around $61.78 per month. By year 3, you'd be earning close to $92.67 per month. The numbers keep climbing, reaching $123.56 per month in year 4. And finally, an impressive $154.45 per month by year 5. Now, let's level up our investment game. In scenario 2, imagine investing $500 per week into Qyld at the same share price of $17.65, with no reinvestment. Buckle up, because the monthly income numbers are about to get even more exciting. At the end of year 1, your monthly income would amount to approximately $154.45. Moving on to year 2, that number jumps to around $308.90 per month. By year 3, you'd be enjoying a monthly income of $463.35. And as we reach year 4, that number skyrockets to $617.80 per month. Finally, in year 5, you'd be proudly pocketing a whopping $772.25 in monthly income from your Qyld investment. Let's take it up a notch. In our third scenario, let's imagine investing $1,000 per week into Qyld, again at the share price of $17.65, with no reinvestment. Witness the power of compounding dividends now. At the end of year 1, your monthly income would reach an impressive $308.90. Year 2 brings you an even sweeter reward of $617.80 per month. By year 3, you'd be enjoying a monthly income of $926.70. In year 4, that number surges to $1,235.60 per month. Finally, in year 5, you would be reaping the rewards of your investment, receiving a remarkable $1,544.50 in monthly income. Now that we've seen the potential monthly income from investing in Qyld, let's talk about the benefits it offers. Reliable passive income. Qyld provides a reliable source of passive income that you can count on. Month after month, those dividend payments will keep rolling in, helping you cover your expenses or indulge in some enjoyable activities. Minimal effort, maximum returns. With Qyld, you don't have to worry about actively managing your investments. The fund takes care of the covered call strategy and dividend distribution, so you can sit back and relax while your money works for you. Diversification. Qyld holds a diversified portfolio of stocks from the Nasdaq 100 index. This diversification helps mitigate risks and allows you to benefit from the performance of multiple companies across various sectors. Potential for growth. As the value of the stocks in the Nasdaq 100 index increases, so does the potential value of your Qyld investment. This growth potential adds an extra layer of potential wealth generation to your monthly income. Starting with $200, $500, or even $1,000 per week, the power of compounding dividends can make a significant impact on your monthly income. But what if you haven't yet figured out how to save at least $200 per week to invest in the stock market? Find out how in this essential savings and financial tips video next.